Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 new cases has been leaked courtesy to case makers. Also, the S Pen Pro specification has been leaked ahead of the launch. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So guys, as we know, no one seems to be trying to keep Samsung upcoming foldable phones a secret anymore. Samsung itself has been mentioning the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 in an app changelog. Leakers has been showing us renders of the device for many weeks, and now a case maker has joined in on the action as well. A Korean retailer has listed the case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 that shows us both the phones from every angle. And what a beautiful phones these are. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is particularly looking amazingly stylish, and we can imagine it being the bigger seller of the two thanks to compact form factor and of course the lower price tag. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is sure to attract those looking for a productivity-focused device, especially with the support for S Pen and considerably larger folding screen. That folding screen, in addition to supporting the stylus input, will provide an uninterrupted viewing experience thanks to the under-panel camera. As far as cases, we are bound to see plenty of the third-party option hitting the market once the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 go on sale. Samsung will have cases of its own, including some sneaky new design for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 that make it easier to lodge the phone around. In fact, yesterday we have seen the official cases of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which are coming in 3 different color options, and those cases were coming with a ring on the back, and in another case there was a strip around through which you can open up the case, and there are other options like leather cases are also available in the Galaxy Z Flip 3. While the Galaxy Z Fold 3 official cases that has been revealed a few days ago gives us a detail that the S Pen can be stored on the back of the hinges when you use the case that has been leaked. And honestly, I think that this is going to be a great position if you wanted to use the S Pen inside the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and to place it on the same device, then this case is going to be great for you. There may be a catch for many of the users because using that particular case alongside with the S Pen will increase the thickness of the device. So if you are okay with that, then this is going to be a great case for you. And here moving forward, the S Pen Pro specification has been leaked ahead of the launch. And today the tipster Sean has given us the S Pen Pro specification and feature which is going to be coming inside. Well, basically the S Pen Pro will be featuring a 0.7mm of a tip, and it can sense 4096 levels of pressure. Apparently it can also be used with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 without damaging its foldable display. This special stylus is said to be featuring a USB Type-C port for charging. It can also be magnetically attached to some cases. It's being rumored that S Pen Pro will be priced around £70. Samsung has already revealed that it has created a special S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, it is not clear as how it would be different from the S Pen Pro. We should get more information about both the upcoming stylus on August 11, 2021 when the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3 would be officially unveiling. So guys, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is definitely going to be a crazy device in terms of its specification. And here, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.